Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows Update error message 0x80070246 you're experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, typically when attempting to perform a cumulative large update, and it shows there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep saying this and want to search the web or contact support for informations, this may help. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the search menu, and then dito lang I type mo yung troubleshoot setting, and then next I click mo lang tong open. So dito sa troubleshoot, and the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung other troubleshooters. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, and the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows Update. And then dito lang sa right side ay i-click mo lang tong run. And then wait natin na ma-detect yung problems. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed. Okay, so on the next step ay close lang natin dito. And then dito lang sa search menu ay click mo lang siya. And then type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang dito mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin enter yung command keyword na sfc /scannow, and then copy lang natin yan, and then paste lang natin dito. Okay, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then beginning system scan, this process will take some time. So beginning verifications phase of system scans, kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-verify into 100% complete. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na verifications 100% complete. Alright, so in the next command keyword na kailangan lang natin enter, ay kailangan lang natin enter ang dism /online /cleanup-image /RestoreHealth. Okay, so kailangan lang natin yan i-paste dito. Alright, okay, in the next step ay press mo lang yung enter. And then kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete yung 100%. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na the operations completed successfully. So pagkatapos dito ay close lang natin tong CMD, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang Windows Update error code 0x80070246 in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.